Hey everyone, Garrett from Parts View, back at it again with the Basics of Boating video series. Now we're gonna get into the videos that you've all probably seen docking the boat. We're gonna show you the right way to do it, some variables to think about, how to prepare your dock lines and all that good stuff. So stay tuned. As I'm approaching the dock, before I get too close, I'm gonna prepare some things like attaching the dock lines and the fenders on the boat. So hopefully you have an idea of which side you're gonna dock. In this situation, we're gonna be on the starboard side, so I'm gonna get my lines and fenders on that side of the boat. Run the dock lines through the cleat like this, and then put your fender where you can. In this situation, I'm gonna use the cleat as well over the top. All right, after we've attached the back line to a cleat, I'm also gonna attach one up at the bow of the boat. Get the line on like this, and then it's always a good idea to attach a fender to protect your boat. Now you can go to a cleat or you like a little handrail like we have here. Anything that's gonna hold that fender nice and snug. And now we're ready to approach the dock. Now that you have your dock lines and your fenders prepared, it is time to dock your boat. Now make sure while you're approaching, you are surveying the entire area. Are there other boats around? How much space do you have? Make sure you're judging the current, wind, and water conditions. If the wind is blowing with you, then let it help you. In this scenario, you should come in at a shallow angle. When you are still a yard or two away from the dock, get in a parallel position to it, and then let the wind blow you in effortlessly. If the wind is against you, you need to come in at a steeper angle. This approach is going to cut down on wind resistance. Your momentum will carry you close to the dock where you need to be. In this instance, try to secure the bow line first and use the engine to bring the stern of the boat into the dock. Always be ready with your dock lines because this kind of wind can easily knock you out of place. Take your time, proceed slowly towards the dock using intermittent acceleration. Never approach a dock any faster than you're willing to hit it. Now that we've arrived at the dock, we're going to tie the boat off. All right guys, we're here back at the dock. Showed you a couple scenarios. Hopefully that'll help you while you're out there. Always remember to take your time when approaching a dock, evaluate the situation, think about the wind, the current, the other boats that are present, and don't feel like you have to rush and do it the first try. If things aren't going right, back out, let everything settle down and go for it again. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to Parts View on YouTube and be on the lookout for the next one.